In this video, I'll show you how to add shadow in Canva. It could be adding shadow to an image or adding shadow to an elements or adding shadow to a text. I will show you each of the case. So first get started with an image. So I'm taking an image from here and I want to add shadow to this image. First, I need to uh, change the background. Let's say I want to take this background for your better visibility. Okay, that's perfect. And now remove the background. And now the image is clean. I can take the background as white. It will be more visible. Okay. So now how to add shadow to this image? Click here and click edit button. And now go to shadows under effects button. So click here and you will get a couple of options. First is if you want to get shadows like outline, you can select this. If you want to get shadows like drop, you can select this. If you want to take shadows as glow, you can select this. If you want to take shadows as curved, you can select this. There are multiple options available. So let's say I want to take the shadows as outline. Click here and you see there is a outline in black border. I can also edit this shadow. Let's say I can control the size of the shadow from here. I can change the color of the shadow. Let's say I want to change the color to this color and I want to adjust the size. So this size is perfect for me. I can also increase or decrease the intensity of the shadow from here. I can also try other shadow types like glow, drop, curved. If I select drop, I can adjust the angle of the drop from here, the distance, everything. So I can control my blur amount. So a lot of options available, but most of the time we use outline as the shadow and intensity is visible like this. So this is the one way you can add shadow to your image. Now let's add shadow to the full image. I'm taking an image and I can add shadows to the whole image. Click here, click edit button and now also click shadow and you will get shadow, the outline of the whole image. You can select other option available, glow. So this looks great if you want to present something like this. Or you can also select other types of shadows like card, page lift, or angled, or backdrop. So a couple of options available, but I think this option is more effective in this case. Or you can also add this. So these are the way to add shadows to the image. We have other options available. Let's say uh, make this image transparent and now I can add shadow in other way, like select the element section and search shadows. We can get shadow elements. Let's say this element, I can overlay it. So you can add shadow in this way. Let's say I want to take this shadow, make the image smaller. So you can use this way. There are a couple of shadows option available for you. You can try it out if you need this type of shadow. Especially these types of shadow are using when you want to try to give shadow to any types of product or any types of elements or any types of image. You can use these types of shadow. Now let's see how we can add shadow in a text. So I'm deleting everything and now I'm taking a text, adding a text from here. This is an example. So this is my text, and let's say I want to add shadows to this text. I can colorize this text. Let's say I want to take the color as this color. Now to add shadow in the text, first click the text or select the text and go to the effect section. And here you will see shadows option. When you select this shadow, you will see the shadows in the text here. You can control the shadow like offset, direction of the shadow, blur the shadow, transparency of the shadow. A couple of options available here. You can also select outline, so it will create an outline of the image. You can now select the outline color from here. See, so this way you can add shadows to a text. But I want to take the shadow in this way. It is looking good. I can change the direction a little bit. It will give me a 3D vibe to my text. So I can change the original text color to make it more visible. You can see. So these are the way you can add shadow to your image, to your product, to your elements, or to any types of text. So I think you get answer how to add shadow in Canva in different use case. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, through the comment below. I will check your comment and reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much.